If you like hunting for Rae Dunn pottery, then you'll want to watch this video. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am participating in another challenge that's being hosted by Tracy of the channel Secondhand Tracey. This one is called the You Are My Sunshine Rae Dunn Lemon Collection Hunt. So please be sure to check out her channel if you're not familiar with her, and the playlist of the other participants. Now, I personally do not collect Rae Dunn. I'm just not into it, but I know a lot of you do. So I thought I would take you along and show you the extensive collection of Rae Dunn that is generally available at my local TJ Maxx Home Goods Superstore. That way you can go and check out your stores if you are a collector of Rae Dunn. However, I did want to participate in this challenge, and there's a very special reason to me as to why I wanted to do it. Number one, the challenge is on Mother's Day. And number two, my mother always picked a special song for each of us. There were 4 children in my family, and she had a special song she would sing to each of us when we were not feeling well or sad or whatever. And the song she used to sing to me was You Are My Sunshine. So even though I do not collect Rae Dunn, I thought I would participate in this challenge and find a creative way to do so. So the first part of my video is on my shopping trip where I looked for Rae Dunn pieces, and the second part is my vignette. So this is how I created a display that was Rae Dunn inspired, but without my having to actually go out and buy any Rae Dunn pottery or anything at all. I already had these items on hand that I had previously purchased. So the first thing I did was put down a tray. This is a wooden tray that I got as part of a gift basket one time, and then I just put a yellow dish towel inside of it. And then I have these yellow flowers that I showed in a haul, yellow roses that I got from Dollar Tree. And then these lemons that I got from Target Dollar Spot. So I also have this picture, polka dot picture. I've had this for a long time. It's actually my daughter's picture. She loves black and white polka dots. And I decided to use that as a vase, holding some more Dollar Tree flowers, the white version of the lilacs, and then some more yellow roses. And then to put the half lemon from Target on this little cupcake pedestal that is also my daughter's. And then the very last thing I added was this sign that I created just using Microsoft Word and the font, the Skinny. That is a font you can download from free, and I just did a search on Google to figure out where I could get the font. And then I created my own sign saying, You Are My Sunshine. I also got these free lemon graphics from the site Canva, and I just rotated them around so that they would make corner brackets around the sign. And then I just used a page border of gingham yellow colored to act as a border for the sign. I think this turned out just lovely. The font looks like the font on the Rae Dunn pottery. And as I mentioned, it brings back memories of my mother. One of her favorite colors was yellow also. So not only did she used to sing this song to me, she loved to use yellow in her decorating and in her clothing. So how did you like my vignette? If you did like it, why don't you give me a thumbs up? That lets me know you did. And also, if you're new to my channel, as I mentioned in the intro, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And I like participating in seasonal challenges like this one. So go ahead and hit that subscribe icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. Also, again, please go check out Tracey's channel if you're not familiar with her and the playlist. Thank you so much, Tracey, for hosting this. I knew I had to find a creative way to participate, so I hope you don't mind what I did. Then I want to thank all of you for watching. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Happy lemon decorating, everybody. Bye-bye.